Each MBA class elects their student council. And the council serves a very important role, not only in representing and helping their class, but helping me as well. I really valued our conversations and your candid advice. And I know I made things a bit difficult for you from time to time this year, so I'm grateful that you took that in stride. And can I ask, please, that Ramla, Sartek, Raghav, Iman, Majd, Yuki, Antonia, Nina, Julia, and Alex please stand so we can give them a round of applause as a thank you for serving on the council this year. And I would ask Ramla and Sartek to join me on stage to give the Student Council address.
Good afternoon, everyone. Dean Francisco, Dean Mark, Nida, Mrs. Jansen, Mrs. Laburdette, faculty, friends, family, and most importantly, the resilient, fearless, and wonderfully diverse class of 25J.
We are honored to stand here today on behalf of a class that has redefined what it means to grow, lead, and belong.
Before we dive into the memories and mayhem of the last 10 months, we want to say thank you for being here, for being part of this moment.
And now, let's take a step back in time to when we first began our INSEAD journeys, wide-eyed, hopeful, and not quite sure what we were getting ourselves into.
When we got into INSEAD, we imagined a life-changing experience.
Transformative, global, intense, from welcome week chaos to juggling 6 courses a period, all while figuring it out how to get some sleep between the parties. It hit us fast, and it did not slow down.
We thought we'd spend our days deep in strategy, leadership, and innovation.
And not spending 20 minutes of a 15-minute break just trying to grab a coffee at Freddy's.
We thought we'd be learning in state-of-the-art infrastructure.
Instead, we were waving our arms and dancing in breakout rooms to stop the lights from going off.
We entered thinking, perhaps this is where I'll discover my purpose.
And very quickly discovered that purpose takes time. And sometimes even a P4 elective.
INSEAD was not what we expected. It was so much more.
It was 3 campuses, 5 periods, and about 137 WhatsApp groups.
Really?
All right, it seemed like 200.
INSEAD football, INSEAD ventures, INSEAD foodies, INSEAD people who can't stop making new groups. Truly, the ecosystem was thriving.
We became fluent in MBA speak.
Let's catch up meant never. That's an interesting perspective. Meant you're wrong, but I'm being polite. This was a great learning experience. Meant I cried, but I got the damn slide deck done.
We found people with truly diverse career interests. Some of us targeted consulting, others went into consulting, and a few of us thought about consulting. And actually, a tiny, tiny number of us actually did something interesting with their lives.
And then, of course, there was PLDP, where every question was met with all information is in the system, and every emotion was countered with, how does that make you feel?
Which honestly, by P3 had us questioning what system and what feelings.
And as your student council, we tried to be there. whether it was raising concerns, starting conversations, or organizing social and sports events.
Except the coffee machine. We admit defeat on that one. But beyond the jargon and the deadlines, we achieved things, real things.
We launched startups, ran global treks, marathons, and the Ironman, survived accounting, and even made it through 3 rounds of elective bidding.
We built ventures from scratch and found ways to lift each other up through peer support, mentorship, and late-night mock interviews.
We built a community from scratch. We supported one another. We made this place feel like home, even if it was just for 10 months. And along the way, so many of you brought something special to that journey. We'd like to celebrate a few of those moments.
Kengo, you helped demystify consulting prep with your McKinsey-style sessions. You did not just teach us how to case. You made us believe we could win.
Tong, with Be My Guest, you brought local French families and INSEADers together, letting us experience culture, warmth, and belonging in a whole new way.
Eunice, you sparked the random dinners idea, and Mario turned it into an app. Together, you turned simple meals into very meaningful conversations, breaking bread and building bridges, one RSVP at a time.
Jack Sai and Jack Zhang, you brought us Jack's Place. A night where we danced like no one was recruiting. It was wild, it was joyful, it was 25J.
Charles, you built a Mockmaster app to help classmates prep for interviews. Even before it was fully launched, you shared resources, tools, and endless support. Martin and the Fonty pre-MBA trip team, you gave us an unforgettable welcome adventure in Croatia that made a bunch of strangers feel like family.
Shubhangi, Maka, and the Singapore pre-MBA trip crew, you brought the Bali vibes, the bonding, and maybe just a little too much tropical spirit. And last, but certainly not least, a bold student idea that became an INSEAD legacy, the assignment tracker. Championed by the Student Council and built by my husband, Rudra. It's now fully integrated into Canvas for future classes. Thank you, INSEAD, for recognizing its value and making it part of the student experience.
To our club leaders, thank you for the late nights, logistics, and creating the kind of events that made our calendars full and memories fuller.
To the rest of our student council, Tony, Nina, Julia, Raghav, Yuki, Alex, Iman, and Majid, thank you for standing up, stepping in, and making this year better in ways most will never see.
You work quietly and tirelessly behind the scenes, and this experience is better because of your dedication.
To the faculty, thank you for challenging us to think deeper, argue smarter, and lead better.
To the staff, thank you for holding us up with invisible hands in moments we did not even know we needed support.
To Katya and the entire Student Life team, thank you for being our constant source of support, positivity, and guidance throughout the year.
To our partners and let's do it. To our partners and families, thank you for being our anchor, for your encouragement, patience, and love while we chase this dream across time zones, campuses, and case deadlines.
And to our classmates, thank you for showing us what ambition looks like in 70 different languages.
INSEAD taught us more than frameworks and business vocabulary. It taught us to stumble and rise again, to listen and become leaders.
It taught us that growth is messy, that vulnerability is strength, and that sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is just show up.
We will carry the memories of working together at 1 a.m., the friends who picked us up when our slide decks or we crashed, and the ones who made us laugh when all we wanted to do was cry.
They're not just classmates, they're friends for life.
As we walk off this stage, we don't just carry knowledge, we carry conviction.
Conviction that the work we do and how we do it matters. That leadership isn't just about titles, it's about impact, kindness, and courage.
And as a class of 25J, we can make one promise to one another: to lead with empathy, to build with intention, and to create spaces where everyone belongs.
Let's go forward, not just to chase success, but to redefine it. To raise the bar, not only for ourselves, but for everyone who comes after us.
Thank you, INSEAD, for the memories, the lessons, and the friendships. The world better be ready, because 25J, we are just getting started. Thank you.
Thank you both, and to the entire council for your leadership and your engagement this year. You, the 25Js, voted for your class speaker, and so could I please ask Alex Yo to come to the stage and give the address. Alex? Congratulations.